So the door into the store has this little ledge. It's like, it's not very tall, but people always trip on it when they're coming in and they'll fall out, which isn't great. So we made a little sign. I made it in Illustrator and we got Eric to print it and laminate it. So now we're going to put it right here on the door so that people will see it and not trip and fall.
Yep, that's right. Perfect. So let's see from the outside, just so that I can see. Okay, perfect. Now people won't be tripping or falling when coming out of the store. Yep, it looks great. Good job, Ava.